New videos every day. Life, wisdom.
This is Ron Vaughn again. Good to see you. I'm back. This is Rachel. She's going to help me out today. I'm going to respond to some of you guys' emails I've received for psoas, your back, your glutes, hamstring, and other stuff that I've got. But anyway, I'm going to show you some stuff to do at home to help relieve some of that pain and discomfort, and maybe something you can take to your massage therapist to help you out. A little anatomy, just pictures. I like to show pictures. This is your glutes here. They come down and meet with your IT band, okay? Hamstring, you got your quads. All right, there's your pelvis up in here. Kind of go over here, this is the back side of it. You can see how it all how it lays out. Your hamstrings here. It tear away this glute here. You can see under here with the little bitty glute muscles here. All right, and this another view. You see how the quads are in front, the hamstrings are back here. How they kind of cut through there, so you can kind of see the muscles in. There's more glute muscles here. The quads, here's your psoas muscle here, the iliacus here, how they combine. They kind of cut that out. The sartorius muscles here. Come to this one. You see the layers of the muscle that we're going to be working on. And this is the pubis bone here. And so you have your adductors attaching here. Come down around the knee area. So everything's kind of related to the back. On this page here, you kind of see the psoas, the iliacus is cut. There's a pelvis. Like I said, there's a pubis bone there. And we're gonna kind of work some of this out here. So when all this gets tight, it kind of makes the pelvis tilt. So that's why people have back pains, because it's tilting and it's pinching the vertebrae in the back. There's more, the hamstrings here, they kind of cut the band here. You can see how deep some of the muscles go. And your adductors are here, so you kind of, when you're looking at the body, you can't look at it just two-dimensional. You got 3D, everything's kind of around. You can see how they broke everything away. And just see how the book kind of pieces it all together. You can see the attachments here. So just kind of give you just a general idea of how the glutes, the calves look. And that's what I'm going to be kind of touching on today, because especially around the sacrum area where all these muscle attachments here, there's also a bunch of tissue in there that we're going to work on and break up to help relieve some back pain. Here we go. Glutes, just like in the book, kind of remember how I showed you the pictures. Pelvis is here, sacrum's right in the middle. So I'm trying to, what I'm looking for here is make sure that the tissue in between the sacrum and the pelvis is kind of loose, because you want the pelvis to be shifting. A lot of times it's not, and that's what causes a lot of and restriction on the back. Because you have to remember too that you have muscles attached from the pelvis to the spine here, and all this needs to be kind of moving in order to work properly. It's not, you're going to have some inhibiting muscles that will prevent any kind of movement in the back. Hamstrings as well. Man, you're tight, girl. Like all that right there. The hamstring. Ooh, there's one that moved. So just pretty much trying to get the hamstrings loosened up. That will relieve some of the tension here, because everything should be moving. So I'm just kind of breaking all this up here. She's a lacrosse player, so start, stop, sprint. So I'm kind of lifting the glutes up there. You okay over there? Okay. So, and y'all seen some of this in the previous videos. So all this here. Hey, you're tight. Really tight. Getting better. What if I lift this leg? Woo! Alrighty. So how's that for? Good. All right. So now what I'm doing here is trying to get the femur, the joint is right here. Try to get some movement in there to release some of the back pain. Got all this in here. So pretty much I'm kind of pushing the femur and the joint and stretching that out, get the range of motion. Then try to get those little glute muscles in here. Go down here and get these back here. Q&A. And then right here, separating the quads. Yeah, how's that there? Yeah. Trying to get some movement here. You alright?
Yep.
Alright. Get your adductors here. Straight here. Trying to get these loosened up. Remember how they all attach down to the knee. Alright. Alright, let's do the other side. You alright?
Felt that one.
That's right. Alright, same thing here. Trying to get the joint to get some range of motion in the joint. Go down here. Woo. Put that in there. This is real tight here. Guess from all the twisting, huh? All right, got that. All right. Let's put this one straight. This one there. There you go. Let's get back there just a little bit. There you go. All right. Quads and IT here. Ooh. You all right? Yeah, it's a little tough there. Same thing here. The right one's definitely tighter. Alrighty. Alright, so now we're going to work the quads here. Okay, I like to start from the knee. This area here is where the IT kind of attaches in here. Quads attach down here. Patellar tendon. All that good stuff. So the theory here, well, it actually works, not just a theory, but anyway, the loosen up the quads would help the pelvis to tilt back. Because right now they're so tight, they're pulling them down. So start from here. You okay there?
Yep.
Tickle? Hurt? Yeah.
Tickle.
Work my way up. Attachments here. And that area here. Right here's the inguinal ligament attachment here. It comes down in here. Attaches close to the pubis bone area. I can feel the psoas right here. And the iliacus coming together. Kind of remember the picture I showed you earlier, how it's all laid out. So you kind of want to get that loosened up for kind of. All right. This side too. All right.